Hello, hello, and welcome to the Millie Life. My name is Danielle. I am the owner of the Millie Life and the Millie Life YouTube channel. I am so excited that you are here. If you are new here, I post new motorcycle videos every Thursday. So hit that subscribe button, hit the bell so you do not miss out. If you want more of the Millie Life, you can follow us on social media at the Millie Life, all one word. Check us out there. I've got links to my apparel, all of my gear that I use, and my riding equipment all below. So if you see something you like, the link is down there. I don't post anything that I don't personally use and love. Today, we've got a big announcement. Woohoo! Let's jump right in. Hello. So I recorded this out on the road and my recorder died. So now I'm doing a voiceover in my living room, which is kind of nice because it gives me a second shot at the content of the video. But so we've got some big news today. I opened the Millie Life about a year ago, July 2021. I started with just a Google website. So you may have seen it or seen other people with it. It's very simple. Has a couple pictures, has reviews, has my services. Not a whole lot to it. I decided that I wanted to make theMillyLife.com. So I started it on my own, and I would work on it and not make a ton of progress because I know nothing about website design. So it never really got going anywhere. So I finally made the decision to use the app Fiverr to hire a freelancer to design my website and finish it up for me. This was fantastic. I hired someone out of Pakistan. She had great reviews. I'd seen some of her other work posted on her profile, and she did an amazing job on my page. I was really hesitant about outsourcing my website design, but I'm really glad I did it because it looks amazing, and she took a lot of work off of my plate and got me exactly what I wanted. Would highly recommend. So she sent it to me, and that day I was like super stressed trying to get ready for vacation and get everything in. I think I was trying to make two YouTube videos that week so I could post one the next week when we were on vacation. So it was just hectic. My brain was all over the place, and I changed something in my Google domains. And all of a sudden, my website was no longer found. So I went back to her to see if she could help me fix it. I contacted Google to see what was going on there. I messed around with it. I could not figure it out for the life of me. So for 2 months, my brand new website was not found. Then one day I was playing around on Wix and saw something that was like, your website is not live, launch it now. So I hit launch. A couple screens later, my website is now live. So I'm super pumped to share with you guys. TheMillyLife.com is live, alive, and well. Check it out and let me know what you think. It's got everything about me and how I started my business. You can find all my apparel there. You can find my services that I provide for training and actually go ahead and book them or sign up for them. You also have group classes. If you go to the Book Now tab, those are all my virtual group classes and the packages for that. So you can actually sign up right online. You don't even have to contact me. There's that. And then there's room for online courses. Eventually I will be offering exercise videos that you guys can purchase, take or use it at your home at your discretion. So that will be in that online courses section. And then, of course, my contact information, how to get in contact with me. There's a contact form there if you have any questions. So I am super, super pumped about this. It just looks really nice. It looks professional, and it gives me the tools and the space to do what I need to do. So check it out. Let me know what you guys think. I'm super pumped that it is finally live. We are getting ready to replace my back tire. The tread on that is super low, so I'm going to be doing a video of that. Matt's like a pro now at taking off tires and replacing them. I think he's done 4 or 5 at this point on his bike, so that should be fun. Stay tuned for that, and if there's anything else that you guys want to see, leave it in the comments below. We're gonna do another giveaway today. Woohoo! So if you comment on the post, you'll be entered to win a Millie Life sticker. And I'll post that up right there. The giveaway will close a week from today, so next Thursday, and the winner will receive the sticker. So super pumped. Make sure you comment below, and we'll get you entered into that. I don't know about you guys, but as a business owner, it has been, this is such a huge stepping stone to have my website built. As an entrepreneur, you have to do, you do everything, right? And I wouldn't trade that for the world. I've worked a 9 to 5, I've worked in a gym, and this is by far my favorite, running my own business. I can choose my hours, I can make it whatever I want it to be. That don't have staff trainings or any of that stuff to respond to. So this has been a really cool experience, and I'm excited to see where the Millie Life is going to go in the next couple of years. The website looks great, so I'm super pumped about that. Go check it out and let me know what you guys think. And the weather is getting so nice out for riding. Like we're entering almost into fall where it's like 80 degrees and like 50 degrees in the morning, and it's like perfect motorcycling weather. So I actually shot a couple of vlogs yesterday, but my recorder wasn't working. So I'm now having to go back and do the voiceovers, but it was fun getting out on the bike. I don't do it as much as I would like to, just because I feel like it takes longer for me to get ready when I ride the motorcycle. I don't know about you guys, but it's a lot easier to just jump in my car and go, especially if I'm running late. But this is like perfect riding weather. I'm not going to like show up to my clients all sweaty or anything like that. So I will be taking the bike a lot more, which I love. We have some new neighbors that have a motorcycle, and let me know what you guys think about this. They are so obnoxious with revving the engine. There's like 20 revs before they get out of the neighborhood. And it's usually like right when Mateo goes to sleep at like 7:30 or 8. And I'm all for revving my engine, that's super fun. But once or twice, not like 20 times. And not at night, right? Like especially in a neighborhood. Oh man. So let me know what you guys think on incessant revving. It's like, how are you revving it that much and still moving forward? It's obnoxious. But let me know what you guys think about revving your engine. Do you do it? Do you not do it at all? It's definitely more fun when you have aftermarket exhaust on it. I love my Vance and Hines mufflers. They are fantastic. They make the bike sound great. All right. Well, that's going to be it for today, guys. Head over to that website, check it out. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Giveaway ends next Thursday at noon, so make sure you comment and be entered to win. Thank you so much for tuning in. You guys rock. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit the bell, do all the things. And until next time, I'll see you guys real soon. Bye.